Right, we've managed to get to about 11:30. People have ran from the ball. Still quite stormy, occasional flash of lightning, and still very rainy, very rumbly. So what we decided to do is to go to Plan B and visit old historic Tampa. And strangely enough, there's some light in there. It's got Westfields near it. Bye. Lovely. I've just realised it's a video, so you've got to do something move about a bit.
Cheers,
Well, there you
first
go.
of the day.